I can't believe I'm saying this, but we pay $0 in rent, and I'm telling you all about it today because yesterday I pulled my calf muscle, so I'm not going to work today. We've officially been on the road for 6 months, so I think it's safe to say I can tell you what our monthly expenses look like. So if you're new here, I'm Ashlyn, and that's my husband Diego, and we're Wannabe Travelers. I'm going to get right to the point and tell you exactly why we pay $0 in rent. Spoiler alert, it's because we're camp hosts. You already know, $0 in rent. And you guessed it, $0 for utilities. That includes water, electricity, and Wi-Fi. Then for laundry, we get a monthly stipend of $100. There's free laundry on site, so we pocket that money and just do our laundry for free. Now let's talk about some of your other expenses.
Oh hey, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now back to the video.
An expense that we all have, gas. We pay about $80 a month, but that's because we live where we work. For groceries, we spend about $400 a month. And honestly, this is something we struggled with in the overspending category way before we became full-time RVers. Thanks to Zoe with Restaurant Dropout. Please sponsor us. I'm able to get 5 awesome dinners, a grocery list, and so many fun videos on how to make these meals, all for $6 a month. It takes the stress away and brings back all the fun into cooking. For our beautiful 2018 Toyota Tacoma, we pay a whopping $742 a month. And yes, I hate that very much. After that, for insurance, for our truck and trailer, we pay $190 a month. And guys, that can really vary based off of state, so don't take our word for that one. Now that we're done talking about all of our expenses, come here, get a little closer. Let's talk about all the unexpected expenses while owning an RV. Just like a house, your RV is gonna break and it's gonna need repairs. For instance, our fridge is on the fritz right now. And we're probably gonna have to buy a new one. Just last week, a deer hit our car out of nowhere.
That's ours.
So yes, things will happen to you on the road. So be prepared. One of the best advice I can give you is to have a little bit of an emergency fund. I don't know what that looks like for you guys, but for us, it's about $1,000 saved up. So speaking of ways to save money, try being your own RV tech. Before you go and pay someone hundreds of dollars to repair something, go on YouTube. YouTube has a wealth of knowledge, and they probably have your make and model RV with someone who's already dealt with your exact problem. You're bound to hit the road eventually, so when you do, plan your route accordingly to help save gas. For us, we went from Texas all the way to Montana, and we went straight there. No zigging around to go to different places. We had a strict budget, and we wanted to save our money for when we got here. A big help while on this trip was using an app called Harvest Host. You pay a one-time membership fee and you get access to thousands of unique locations and campgrounds all throughout America. This helped us save a ton of money. Instead of paying $60, $70, $80 a night for an RV park, we were basically paying $0. And at a lot of places, in exchange for a free night, all we had to do was either like buy their wine or buy their food or buy something from them. And to me, that's a whole lot better than paying for an RV park. Money, 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 budget, budget, budget. Let's talk about the non-monetary benefits of full-time RV life. For us, it gives us the freedom and flexibility to go wherever we want without having to wait for retirement. It's very affordable, and I think you guys can do it too. I know, RV life means small spaces, but once you start getting rid of all the junk in your apartment or your big house, you really start to realize that you never needed any of that stuff. For me, it was really hard to get rid of a lot of my clothes, and I didn't wear them then. And now I have this small, tiny closet, and I still don't wear half of the clothes that I have. So guys, just get out of your comfort zone and try it. I swear you'll love it. RV life can be surprisingly affordable, especially without rent. But be prepared for some unexpected costs And just know that there are ways to manage it. I highly encourage you to try camp hosting. It's such an easy way to get into RV life. You can just do it for a season, and if you hate it, just go back to your old life. But if you love it, then you can do it forever. See you later, wannabes.